Today, we got the Arctic Avalanche, Beau, Austin, and Tyson versus the Drip Dawgs, Johnny, Austin Barrows, Cooper, Austin Beau. Austin Beau is not on the Drip Dawgs.
In the field.
The teams today are the Arctic Avalanche and the Drip Dawgs. For the Arctic Avalanche, we have Tyson Dufault, Austin Beau, and Captain Beau Barrows. And for the Drip Dawgs, you got Johnny, Caden Brady,
Austin
Jacob
Barrows.
Heeser, Austin Barrows, Captain, and Cooper Wolk. And good take for ball 4. Beau, that camera thingy's like, fucking, this thing sucks. What is it, 2 out? And ball 4. Tyson will take his base, and coming up, 3-hitter for Arctic Avalanche, Austin Beau. The 0-2 pitch to Austin Beau, and he swings through strike 3, 1 out. Caden's back, his turn, talking to Tyson, he grounds it. Gets him at second for 2 outs, and that brings up Tyson Dufault with runners on first and third. 2 outs.
I can't.
Tyson's still on first. It's just a pinch run.
Oh, he takes it back deep. Oh, Caden loves a home run for 3 outs. Good rip from Tyson Dufault. But good play from Caden Brady, aka Popeye Jones. Strike 3. Swings through it. And he swings through strike 3. 2 outs. And it takes up Jacob. He's ready to hit a home run. Ball 4. Huh? What? Oh! And that's a hard ground to the third, and that'll get through for a single. Runners, Jacob advances to second on a good single. Good piece of hitting from Cooper Wolk. And that brings up number 3, Jonathan Nazaroff. Oh, tips it into the zone for strike 3. Top of the second, 0-0. See, ball don't lie, and ball don't lie. Ball 4. Maybe. And he takes it. He smacks it way out, set over the center field wall. That is a good piece of hitting to dead center. Kind of gives him a meatball. And Beau. Then that was a travel bump on Beau. Good hit. And he takes the hit Johnny in the outfield. And good take, ball 4. 1. Oh, and he hard hit up the middle, and good play from Cooper to make the first out of it. Oh, and they use their intentional walk on Beau. I guess he's just that dangerous. Runner on. Oh. And bottom of the second inning. Oh, and he drives it. But Austin makes a nice catch in right field for out number 1. And pitch. And it's ball 4. He wanted it, but then he laid off of it. I think it's 2. And he tips it into the zone for strike 3. That's 2 outs for the Drip Dawgs LWBA. Oh, off speed. Cooper just swings through it for strike 3. 3 outs, top of the third. This game is rolling along fairly quickly. And he strikes him out. That is 1 out. Tyson, he beats it out. Ew!
Out of play, out of play, out of play.
No, he gets second. Still won the battle. Here's Cameron coming, emerging out of the water. And, he's... That's 3 outs. Nice pitching from Cooper that inning. He takes off the arm sleeve. He's saying it's very tight and he has a little rash. Oh my God, that's a big league take for ball 4. Oh, smacks it up the middle. He's out at second. I heard Tyson's foot slap the base. Strike 3. Looking. 2 down. Oh, and he drives it up the middle, and he's out at first. Good game. It's simming by pretty fast, Cooper. And it's in ball and play. It's a single. Single. Oh. 2-2.
I don't even know.
2 outs. Hold on. What happened? He got what was it? How was he on base? How did Beau get on base? He's safe. Dude, yeah, I'm not gonna do game changer now. He can go. It's 2-0 though. Ball 4. Where's it? And it is bases loaded for their powerhouse. Number 1, Beau Barrows. And it is caught. 3 outs. 2-0, they did score. And it's bottom of the 4th. I'll go. Ball 4. Strike 3. Austin is 0 for 3. Drop balls are the easiest pitch to hit. Because they come up, and if you hit them while they're going down, it's just gonna launch out. Out. Oh, swings through. Strike 3. Come on, keep her up. Strike 3! 2-0. That's right there. Idiot! And it's back at the track and it's go. Oh, and it hits the top of the wall. It does not go over. Jay, Salt tips it in the zone for strike 3. Do game changer. I want it. And he grounds it to Beau. Oh, he misses! He misses! That boy, pick him up! Oh my God, Johnny! Oh God. We got the top of the order coming up.
Popeye, give me a shoey.
Oh my God!
An error.
Oh my God!
Number
I need
1.
a home run from you!
Beau Barrows.
I need a home run from you!
On the pitcher.
No, give me the ball.
Austin, if he hits a dinger, it ties the game.
Yeah, dinger ties.
And then if the next batter hits, oh my God, and he grounds it, foul. And he's most likely to hit a home run. Oh, and that's game. Avalanche win 2-zip. Yeah,
And top 5 MVP.
yeah, I got. Post-game interview, Beau Barrows, team captain of the Arctic Avalanche. How we feeling after today's game?
I'm feeling really good. I'm feeling like the MVP right now. I mean, I shoved 5 innings, 0 runs. I mean, I thought I pitched very well. Tyson, he pitched like poop. Tyson, very clutch RBI hit. There. Austin, you know, he might not be happy with his performance today, but I know he'll bounce back. So, you know, we're feeling really good right now. To Cooper Yard, we don't need Cooper. I'm gonna keep it real. That's all I got.
All right. Thank you, and nice job on the win today.
Yep. Coop, you pitched pretty well today. How does it feel? You just lost against the team you were traded from.
Our team has a lot of strikeouts. I had 2 myself, but I also threw a lot on the mound. I think I had like 11 strikeouts or something, maybe 12.
Hell nah.
Yeah, man.
Okay.
Yeah. I mean, we have Johnny not really doing much out there.
Johnny, he's disrespecting you, bro. Beat him up.
He's our game changer, and he struck. I don't think he got on base.
He did get on base twice, actually.
Oh, he got on base twice. Oh,
Yeah, he did.
twice.
So,
Yeah. He reached on the air once.
yeah, it's fine.
We also have Caden. Popeye's not doing much. I had our only hit, so.
It sounds like you're talking trash about your teammates. Do you want to go back to the Avalanche?
Yes, I'd very much love him to get the hell off my team.
I would like to go.
Well, Avalanche fans, he's not coming back. We don't need him. Let's go. And he's jumping in. Yeah, man. Oh, and his shoe's gone.